But final.
No, but he was hitting on you.
No, he wasn't. He was just being nice.
So everything was perfect until that guy told that he's married but he doesn't have a ring.
Well, he's not married, but he's not single. So.
Oh, he's
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನೇನೋ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು. It's long time relationships. Like,
oh, they're not.
People don't get married yet.
Oh my god. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜನ್ಮ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಕೆನಡಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆನಡಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೀವಿ.
ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ ಶಾಲಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅಂತ ಲಾಡ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡು. ವಾವ್,
so beautiful. ಆಶಾ,
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಊದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕರಿಯ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಲ್ಕನಿಗೆ. ಯಾರದು?
ಅವನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಥೂ, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ನು ಅವನು. ಅವಳನ್ನ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದೀರಿ, ಅವಳು ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ನೋಡಲಿ,
look at her after that thing happened. Oh, you look so
sexy baby,
pretty. ನೋಡಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ. I wonder if you guys know what flag that is.
Maybe their hotel flag.
Is that someone you know?
Yeah, she knows, but that girl doesn't know, I think.
She doesn't. She's like a crazy person. She's yelling at me and whistling. You're not getting me?
This view is so beautiful.
Yes. You're feeling cold?
I mean, that mountain has snow for 365 days, I think.
Bring any jacket.
On the very top, it stays snowy most of the year.
Most of the year, yeah. That's true.
In that way, then I'm just wearing his hoodie.
Swarna, we'll go?
Yeah, we'll go.
Hi.
Hi. You got to know, is she?
Yeah, later I came to know, okay, she is. Then I understood, okay, you're waving at me.
So you saw me and recognized, but not her.
How come?
Because you are like Swarna, hudugun ತರ whistle ಹೊಡಿದ್ರೆ.
I did this to you, but you.
Oh.
Do it again.
I told you, right? I was listening. Wow. Actually, I was listening song and I couldn't.
ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಬೇಕರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಂತೆ ಸ್ಕೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
Can we go to Mount Baker for skiing? But it's in America, right? USA.
It is, yeah. It's technically.
That's USA, Asha.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿನ US ವೀಸಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ.
You can go up there, you can go skiing.
Okay,
3, 2, 1, go. Come, go back, and then start. Alva? Like this only then?
The right side first, right?
Yeah.
Around the thing.
Anywhere. Then grinding.
Grinding.
Amale, again this? Ashtena?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, grinding. Only stop it in grinding.
ಯಾಕೆ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Wait, I'm starting. It's getting so mad. Okay.
ನಿನ್ನಾಣೆ ನಾನು ಕತ್ತಲಲ್ಲೂ ಬೆಳಕ ಕಂಡೇನು, ನನ್ನಾಣೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಸುಖವ ಕಂಡೇನು.